What?
I want to try your bike.
You should. This is the ONEBOT. This is the budget version of the ONEBOT fat tire bike. This bike is right out of the box. Pretty freaking cool. And you know, like I said, I literally pulled it out of the box, slapped on the handlebars, just slapped them up, lifted the seat, put this together, and I was riding. It was that quick. I really think probably one of the more underrated bikes. Little bit about me as a rider. I am 6'4". I've got fairly average long leg, about a 250-pound rider. So this thing is pushing a really large frame around. As far as the weight of this bike, it's not terrible. To me, it's not heavy at all. I mean, I can throw this in a car or truck. I would leave it together. But foldable pedals, I really like the fact that these pedals are foldable. I think that is cool. A couple of surprises with this bike. It did come with the rack. I did not know that it would come with the rack. The seat, I believe they've changed it out to be more comfortable. They've used the wider seat as opposed to the narrower seat. That's about it. I love the fact that this has an interchangeable battery. It has a battery that's generic, and it's relatively light. It is not the lightest thing in the world, for sure. But yeah, ONEBOT. I call it just the budget build. Now, this is my first e-bike experience, and let me tell you something, it is exhilarating. I totally understand why everybody's so excited about these.